So in today's class, let's talk about simplification of fractions. So in simplifying fractions, you are not only going to be applying the LCM process, you are also going to be working with the BODMAS principle. So the BODMAS principle simply means that in this simplification, where you have different signs, you are going to solve them according to their acronyms, these being bracket, of, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. We dealt on that in our previous video. So please, if you want to understand more about this, you go back and watch those videos. The link will be put in the description below or above in this video. So in this number one example, the first thing we are going to do is convert the improper fractions, the mixed fractions to improper fractions. So in math, it's better you always write down your processes. As you solve, you write down the process of your solving. So let's write it down. Convert to improper. So converting to improper, you already know the process. We dealt on it in one of our previous videos. Go ahead and watch it. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 3. This is 10 over 7. Bring down the sign. Addition plus 3. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 3 is 15. This is 15 over 4. Bring down the sign. Multiplication. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. So this becomes 12 over 5. Division. So this is 4 times 5 is 20 plus 1. This becomes 21 over 4. So this becomes improper. Now the next step we are going to take is in solving this math, we are going to look at the board math. Which of the signs here comes first? The sign that comes first here is division. Division comes first. There is no bracket and there is no off, so division comes first. Let's work out this division sign. Like we treated before in division of fractions, the first thing you need to do is to apply the keep flip change process. So let's work the keep flip change process. 12 over 5, it becomes multiplication. We flip it, it becomes 4 over 21. So this is it. This cannot be divided. None of them can divide here. There is no common factor in any of them. So let's multiply it directly. This becomes 48. This becomes 105. So this can be further divided. 3 can go here and 3 can go here. 3 here will give you 16 and 3 here will give you 35. Yeah, this can no longer be divided. The factors of this is 2 and 8, and the factors of this is 5 and 7. So none of them can cancel. So let's take this as our final answer. Let's bring it over here. So this becomes 10 over 7 plus 15 over 4 times 12 over 5. No, sorry. No longer 12 over 5. Now 16 over 35. Alright, so in board mass, the next thing we deal with now is multiplication. We have multiplication sign. So in multiplication, we are supposed to multiply it directly. So let's check. Can any of them, is there any factor that can divide this? So there is 4 here, 4 here, 1, 4 here will give you 4. And then there is 5 can go here, 5 here, 3, and 5 here will give you 7. So this will be equal to 3 times 4 will be 12. 12. Then 1 times 7 will be 7. So this becomes 12 over 7. Multiplying this becomes 12 over 7. So take note of this. Do not divide this way. You divide up, down. Anyone here can divide anyone at the top. Anyone at the top can divide anyone at the bottom. If two numbers at the bottom are divisible, you don't divide it. They are not going to divide. So the ones at the bottom will only divide the ones at the top. So take note of that. So let's go continue with the process. This becomes 10 over 7 plus 12 over 7. We have gotten to the addition sign. So remember, addition and subtraction always apply the LCM formula. So the LCM of these two, we don't need to look for that, 7. So let's use 7 and go straight to the point. 7, so this becomes equal to 7. So 7 is 1, 1 times 10 is 10. 7 is 1, 1 times 12 is 12. So this becomes 22 over 7. So our final answer becomes 3 whole number 1 over 7. So let's take this as our second example. We are going to apply the same process we did with the first one. So the first process we did here, like I told you, whenever you are solving, indicate your processes, write it out to show all working. Convert to improper fraction is the first process we are going to apply. Convert improper. So let's convert this to improper fraction. 2 times 15 is 30 plus 1 is 31 over 2. What's the sign? Negative sign. So 4 times 6 is 24 plus 3, that is 27. 27 over 4. What's the next sign? Multiplication sign. So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 over 3. What's the next sign? Additional sign. Now take note, when you see something like this is equal to 5 over 1, because 5 divided by 1 is still equal to 5. So this is going to become 5 over 1, so it can blend it, right? So let's apply our board mass rule. Applying board mass, you can write it or you can leave it. Let's just write it in this one. Applying so there's no bracket, there's no off, there is no division, but there's multiplication. So let's start with the multiplication. 27 over 4 times 8 over 3. Yeah, let's see, in this case, there is 4 down here, there is 8 down here. It can divide. So 4 here will give you 1, and 4 here will give you 2. And there's 3 down here, and there's 27 up here. They can divide. 3 here will give you 1, 3 here will give you 9. So 9 times 2 will be 18, and 1 times 1 equal to 1. So this becomes 18 over 1. Take note of that. So let's bring it back here. This becomes 31 over 2 minus 18 over 1 plus 5 over 1. So this becomes 31 over 2 minus 18 over 1 plus 5 over 1. Transfer this one here and remove this one, so it becomes this. So the next thing we are going to do is addition, right? So we are going to add minus 18 over 1 plus 5 over 1. So what we are going to do is equal to minus 18 over 1 plus 5 over 1. So what is the LCM of this? The LCM of this is 1. So 1 into 1, 1. So this becomes 1 minus 18 plus 5 becomes minus 13. Minus 13, right? Over 1. Over 1. So yeah. So minus 13 over 1. So let's bring it back to this our solving. So 31 over 2 minus 13 over 1. So the LCM of this is 2. So 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times this is 31. 31 over 1 into 1 is 1. 1 times minus 13 is still minus. 1 into 2 is 2, sorry. 2 times minus 13 is 26. So 31 minus 26, this will give you 4, this will give you 5, equal to 5 over 2. So the final answer to this will be equal to 2 whole number 1 over 2. So this is our final answer. So this is our final answer for this example 2. So let's work on example 3. So let's take this as our third example for the day. I'd like you to pause the video, take a minute, solve it, and try to get the answer of this. So if you are done with that, let's continue. So our first step will be convert to improper fraction. So 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2. It's 11 over 3 multiplied by 3. 8 times 1 is 9 plus this is 8 times 1 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 over 8 as well over 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11 as well over 3 minus 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 over 4. Let's add the division sign and work on this. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 over 2. Then 9 times 3 is 27 plus this becomes 34 over 9. Okay, right. So if you look at this, what you will discover is these are sets of fractions that needs to be merged. So what you need to do first is convert them into a single fraction first. Convert every single one of them into a single fraction before you begin to merge them together. So what do you do here? You convert this to a single fraction to become 11 over 3 times 9 over 8. What are you going to get? Let's see. Okay, 3 here, 1, 3 here, okay, 3. So this cannot divide. So this will become 33 over 8 over 11 over 3 minus 9 over 4. The LCM of the both of these denominators is 12. So let's add our 12 here. 12. So 3 into 12 will give us 4. 11 times 4 is 44. 44 minus. So 4 into 12 will give us 3. 3 times 9 is 27. Minus 27 over. Let's work on this one as well. So this will become, to turn this into a single fraction, we have to apply the keep-flip change method. This will become 11 over 2 times, becomes a the division sign becomes a multiplication sign, and then we flip. This becomes 9 over 4. So okay, so this is what we have. Let's move this over here. We get 33 over 8 over, so 44 minus 27 becomes 17 over 12 divided by 11 over 2 times 9 over 24. So what we'll do here to change to this is the keep-flip change method. It will become 33 over 8 multiplied by 12 over 17 divided by 11 over 2 times 9 over 24. So this will be, let's check if there is any factor that can divide here. So this will be 2 here will give us 4, 2 here will give us 6, 2 here will give us 2, and 2 here will give us 3. And that will be the end of it. And that will be the end of it. So 33 times 3 will give us 99 over 2 times 17 will give us 7 times 2 is 14. Give us 34 divided by no, this cannot divide. So 11 times 9 is 99 over 2 times 34 is 68. So this will become 99 over 34 multiplied by 68 over 99. So 99 can cancel 99, right? And it will leave us 1 and 1 here. So 64 can actually go in, 34 can actually go in 68. 34 here will give us 1, and 34 here will give us 2. So this will be equal to 2 over 1, which simply means 2. So the final answer for this is 2. Check if your answer is correct. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We see you in the next video.